Okay, then. So this is our second video. What we're gonna do now is go to our list and bind our action. Whenever we click on item, we want to go on to page detail page one. We have done that. Now we are done with pretty much done with master page. We're gonna go on detail page now. Detail page has a section called header, which is empty here because I delete, like I but yours might look, populated with hard-coded values. Uh, so, I mean, that's not a problem. You can either way uh, bind it with values. So let's go uh, into these values. Before that, we need to bind this with the whole page with our sales order. You're gonna select. There are two objects. You can select any one of these, but here, because we want header, still this header to display sales order information, not item information. We're gonna bind this with sales order. We're gonna go back again on our list header, and we're gonna select different values. I'm gonna leave introduction as it is, number, or probably uh, name, sales order, and number as amount, unit as currency, title as name, which is gonna be is good, but and number I'll do introduction as ID. Either way, you can do either way, and then you can have more fields here. These are more fields that you have. I'm gonna put item attribute 1 as purchase order category, and 2 as purchase order itself, and then two statuses. I'm going to name first one the similar as status, and again these values are coming from our model. I'm repeating myself, but bear with me. So we already bind these values. The only thing remaining now is within our icon tab bar, there are three tabs. Within our OK tab, we have a table, and we need to bind this table with values, and those values will be our. So if I'm gonna click here, we see those values. How do I know? Because I know there are 6 items in my first sales order. So it seems it's working. Once we are done with that, we can test it. You can, again, if you want to change these values, you want to see, you want to change these values to something else, you can go and click here somewhere here, and on these cells, item identifier, if you want to select. Now this is bind to your sales or item, because in when you binded that table, you told it to bind using the relationship item set, so it's going to sales order item now. So you can choose any values here, and it'll work for you. Whatever works for you, you can choose. I'm just keeping it simple as it is, and you can choose any text here. You can bind this text as well if you want to, header text, uh, or you can put any name here, whatever you want. So it's done. We're gonna preview it and see if it works for us. Okay, so if we click first one, see, we get the same details on our header side, and we get uh, details, detail items as well. If you click third one, we gonna get two, and we can click second one, which had like three items. So these are three items, and you can play around actually, as I said, because you see there are two. These values are coming here with the, if you see, because I binded it in the title, there are semicolons coming here. So if you don't want to do that, you can say, okay, no, I don't want that. And similarly with this, you don't want that. Instead, you want to bind the values here in the text, not in the title, or vice versa. Whatever you want to do. I mean, whatever, yeah, uh, yeah, looks better to you, you can do. But the idea is it works for you. Once you're done, you can actually go and publish this thing, and once you publish, you can get a link. You can share this link with any one of your users, and they need to have an account in Splash and Build, but they can obviously play with this thing. And if you have your destinations configured in your web IDE for Splash and Build, there are two destinations. There is a blog out there which explains it very well. You can actually upload this prototype into your web IDE account, your HANA Cloud Platform account, and use it as a as a base to start your Fury app. I hope you enjoyed my demo, and if you have any questions, please post them here in the uh, in the blog itself, and I'll try to answer them if I can. And thank you again for watching my videos, and good luck playing with the Splash and Build. I like it. Hope you will like it too. Thanks. Bye.